Let's book your dream trip, mastering English for accommodation booking. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we are delving deeper into our segment on weekend and holiday routines, specifically focusing on traveling and exploring new places. Our topic for this session? Booking accommodations. Whether you're planning a business trip or your dream holiday, knowing how to book a hotel or accommodation in English is an essential skill. So, let's get started. When booking accommodation, you'll encounter a number of specific terms. Let's cover some essential vocabulary you will likely use or hear in this context. Reservation or booking. This refers to the process of securing a room for a specific duration. Check-in and check-out. Check-in is when you arrive and register at the hotel, and check-out is when you leave and pay the bill. Single, double, suite. These are types of rooms. A single room is for one person. A double room typically has one large bed or two single beds for two people, and a suite is a larger, often more luxurious room. Amenities. These are facilities provided by the hotel, such as a gym, pool, Wi-Fi, etc. Full board, half board, bed and breakfast. These terms describe what meals are included in your booking. Remember, mastering these terms will be crucial in understanding and navigating the booking process. Now that we've covered some vocabulary, let's move on to the main event, making a reservation. When making a reservation, you'll need to provide specific information, such as the dates you will check in and check out, the type of room you want, the number of people the room is for. Here's a common way this conversation might go. Hi, I would like to book a room, please. Receptionist, of course. When would you like to stay? From July 18th to July 25th. Receptionist. And what kind of room would you like? A double room, please. Don't forget to ask about what's included in your booking. Does the room come with breakfast? Receptionist. Yes, it includes a continental breakfast. This simple dialogue outlines the basic flow of a reservation conversation. In some cases, you might need to confirm or cancel your booking. Let's look at how these conversations could go. To confirm. Hi, I'm calling to confirm my booking for next week. Receptionist. Sure, could I have your name, please? Yes, it's John Doe. To cancel. Hello, I need to cancel my booking for next week. Receptionist. I'm sorry to hear that. Could I have your name, please? Yes, it's John Doe. Remember to check the cancellation policy to avoid any potential charges. That's it, folks. We hope this lesson on booking accommodations in English has been useful for you. Next time you're planning a trip, you'll be ready to tackle the booking process in English with confidence. Remember to keep practicing these dialogues and terms, and soon it will all come naturally to you. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning and safe travels!